Molloy University, based in Rockville Center, New York, is at the forefront of technological advancement for higher education. The study of anatomy is growing exponentially with the digital age. Textbook diagrams and limited cadavers are being revolutionized at Molloy with the highly capable Anatomage Table.
The educational gap that the Anatomage Table fills in anatomy and biology is that, unlike in a textbook, students can now see three-dimensional organs and systems and look at the body as a whole.
As more and more students set their eyes on the medical field, it's pivotal that they have a thorough education of the intricate workings of anatomy and physiology. The Anatomage Table is reshaping how students engage and learn from the human body.
My first impression using the Anatomage Table was that it would be an invaluable tool to me going forward at Molloy. I had used it for the first time last semester with Dr. Casenda's advanced anatomy class, and it had given me much greater insight into all of the organ systems than I had ever gotten previously from a textbook in other classes here. Especially for a small university like Molloy, having an instrument like that is incredibly invaluable for learning.
Everybody has their own way of learning, and in conjunction with the Anatomage Table and traditional learning, a combination would truly work wonders. When using it, I'd have to say that my favorite aspect was being able to see each system individually and interact with that. Textbooks do that as well in their own way, where they'll show the picture, but they don't really show you how things move throughout them. This one does. I was able to see, for example, in the heart, how the blood goes throughout each of the compartments, where it's oxygenated, where it's not oxygenated, how it goes through, how each valve opens and closes, and just that entire complex system and how it works together.
Many of our students go on to medical schools, PA schools, and PT schools, and the Anatomage Table only enhances their ability to learn about the human body, to learn about the different systems and the histology of the human body, and it enables them to be better candidates for med school and postgraduate school, and also to be better when they're dealing with their patients.
I think this tool, especially at a university like Molloy, is helping me advance a little bit sooner, especially with my learning of anatomy. Having access to those simulated cadavers is a real leg up, especially when most people don't have access to that sort of standard of equipment until grad school. Also, I think that being able to explore a lot of the physiology along with the raw anatomy using that Anatomage Table is a critical step in connecting the two sciences together for a lot of people, because most people up until this point have taken anatomy and physiology separately, so seeing that conjoined in the table is a lot more realistic for a lot of people.
Technology is not replacing the fundamentals. It's enhancing them. The Anatomage Table is more than a device. It's a bridge to deeper understanding, one virtual dissection at a time.